Some of y'all be wanting to know how I eat, what I eat when I go out, specifically while being on a GLP-1 medication. I still eat the things that I want to eat. It's all about, like, I just can't eat as much no more. So I had, like, maybe half of a bread, because the Cheesecake Factory bread, 10 out of 10. Oh my goodness, these fried cheese balls, macaroni and cheese balls, 100 out of 10. Macaroni and cheese pizza, think of it like that. It was so good. So I'm looking at the menu, right, trying to figure out, okay, what can I get that has protein in it? All of the meal's calories were how much I eat in a day, and that was just for one meal. So I had like 5 or 6 bites of the orange chicken, so good, and then 1 bite of this cheesecake, and that was probably it for me.